we're gonna be making some keto kale chips. This is honestly one of the simplest recipes and best snacks that you can ever have. You're gonna see it's super easy to make. It only takes a few minutes and ingredients that you probably already have at home. So without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. For today's recipe, we're gonna need olive oil, fresh kale, salt, and paprika. I'm gonna be seasoning my chips with these two ingredients, but if you have any other seasoning of your liking, you can go ahead and replace it with that. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, this is gonna be super easy and fast to make. The first thing we're gonna do is to remove the stem from the kale because it is really hard and it won't crisp up. So to do that, it's super easy. Just grab it from the stem and run your fingers through it. So just like this. And then remove the remaining leaves. And we're gonna do that with the rest of our kale. Once we remove the stem from our kale and we have only our kale leaves, we're gonna dry it as much as we can. And for that, I'm gonna be using a salad spinner. If you don't have one of these at home, don't worry about it. You can just pat them dry with a towel or simply paper towel. The reason we are doing this is because we want the kale to be as dry as possible to remove all the moisture and they get as crispy as they can. I'm just gonna spin this. There's actually not a lot of water as you can see, but I'm gonna do it one more time just to make sure I remove all the water in my kale. Once our kale is as dry as possible, we're gonna transfer it into a bowl. And now we're gonna season it. First, we're gonna add our olive oil. For the olive oil, there's no exact measurement, so just kind of spread it all over your kale and we're gonna massage it. So feel and make sure that all your kale leaves have olive oil. If you feel like you need more, just add a little bit more. And try to spread your olive oil all over the kale. Just like that. So now we're gonna massage the olive oil into the kale. With your fingers, just massage the oil into the kale. And when you massage it, it will also help you to soften the kale so it's not as rough when you put it into your air fryer or oven. Once we massage our oil into our kale, we're gonna add our spices. So today I'm just gonna be doing really plain chips with some Himalayan pink salt and paprika. Again, if you wanna add something else, you totally can. Some salt, some paprika, and now we mix again. Now that my kale is all seasoned and ready to go, I'm just gonna make sure that I like the flavor. So for that, you can try out a little piece of kale. You can eat raw kale, so it's all good. And it's really good. I don't think it's missing anything else. So now we're gonna pop it into our air fryer. I'm gonna be using my air fryer, but if you don't have an air fryer, you can place this in a baking sheet and pop them into your oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until they are crispy. So I'm gonna bake this at 375 for about 4 minutes. I always like to preheat my air fryer before I popped in my food. So I'm gonna preheat it and then we'll come back and put our kale into the air fryer. Our air fryer is preheated and ready to go. So now I'm gonna pop my kale into the air fryer. We want to spread it around. We don't want to pack it a lot. So that means we're gonna be doing 2 rounds of kale chips. Into the air fryer, 375 for 4 minutes. We're gonna check on them and then see how crispy they are. If they're not crispy enough, we'll add some more time. Our 4 minutes have passed and I'm gonna check on my kale chips. As you can see, they are ready, super crispy. And I'm gonna do my second round and then we'll try them out. Our second batch is ready. Yummy. And now into my bowl. And just like that, guys, you have your keto crispy kale chips. As you can see, they were super easy to make. And now we're gonna do my favorite part of the video. We're gonna try them out. I'm gonna grab one. And as you can hear, they're really crispy. It's so good. I'm literally gonna eat this bowl after the video. Like, they're delicious. And I want you guys to hear how crispy they are. Also, something else I want to mention is that these kale chips are best to eat right away, because if you don't, they might not be as crispy as they are when you pull them out of the oven or the air fryer. But you can store them for about 2 or 3 days in a really tight container and eat them, but they might not be as crispy. So, I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give it the thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and leave me a comment. If you also want to follow me on my keto journey, I will be linking my social media down below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.